It's one of those days. One of those windy and grey days where time seems to go slow, and where the sun seems to play hide and seek with the clouds. You know, one of those days where without proof of its arrival, we could mistake spring for autumn. Well, it is what it is. It can't always be sunny and warm. And anyway, a day like that is perfect to slow down, relax, and be quiet. Fortunately, we have the perfect place to do so. Since the sun was not very strong this morning, we got up quite late. Its light, pale and soft, barely entered through the windows and kept us in a semi-awakened state. Everything was so quiet in here, we couldn't have realized that the wind was blowing so hard outside. Despite the rather gloomy weather, I decided to make our morning a little more exciting by making pancakes. In life, we don't really need much to be happy. For us, this morning, in all this grayness, a good breakfast cooked with love was enough to brighten up our day. It's all in the details and the attention we pay to them. And I think that's exactly what Vanlife teaches us. All of a sudden, while we were cleaning up and talking about what we would do today, Jean realized that the inside of the van was magically lighting up. He looked outside and realized the sun was shining in the sky. It didn't take us 10 seconds to get our boots on and step outside. It was truly a new day. The sun began to warm our skin and the azure blue sky dazzled us. Like what in life, you have to remain open to change and live in the moment. Because we would have never imagined enjoying such a sunny afternoon after such a grey morning. But it's also the reality of living in a van. You have to know how to adapt and follow the seasons, the weather, your desires and your mood. Nothing is set in stone, and that's exactly why we choose this way of life. Back in the van, sheltered from the wind, which hasn't calmed down all day, we decided to prepare a real good meal. And now that the sun was slowly setting, we decided to do something we've been wanting to try for a long time. To transform the van into a cinema.